Ok Google!
All right, the bird sanctuary. We're here.
Yeah, this is different from the house.
Well, I know, and I want to tell you, I thank you so much for letting me crash. I could have thanked you with a pizza, I could have thanked you with a Flag Day memorial, but hey, I'm here to thank you, to bring you to this, come on, this bird sanctuary. And I just really appreciate you letting me crash with you. No,
You're a
for
good
real.
friend, man.
No, for real. For 3 months, you let me crash. That's
I know.
huge.
It's okay, it's okay. The empty room, you can stay with me anytime.
Well, no problem.
These birds are pretty miraculous. I've never really been in nature.
Yeah, look at that one. That's
What is
the rare red bird.
Pretty big.
No, it's not in there. It's not in there.
Birds in
My
America.
dad. Yeah, man, sure. Well, there's a lot of birds in there, but my dad taught me about the rare red bird, and there he is. And I'm just, that's all. It's just for, you know, the thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's go over here. See
All
what
right.
else we
Yeah.
got.
Well, we got more birds over here.
Shoes untied, man.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Look at that one. Look at him. He's the rare blue McCutcheon. He's not in there. Different bird.
You can't eat this corner.
Well, it's kind of it's a base to start from, but you know.
Yeah, I'm hungry, man. Let's have some of these.
Oh,
All right.
yeah, awesome, dude. Well, now I got other things to thank you for.
Dennis, I gotta talk to you about something, man.
What's that?
Do you know you make these weird fucking sounds? listen to me, fucking very carefully. I'm not gonna. Shh.
Look, there's the 887.
I'm not gonna fucking mention this again, but you walk around the house and you moan and you groan. You know my bedroom's right next to the bathroom, right? You go into the bathroom.
Shh. Look, there's the Eddie Haskell bird.
Dennis, you go into the bathroom,
There's
right?
birds everywhere. Yeah.
You're jerking off into the sink.
No, I'm not doing that.
Because there's a sink.
Holy shit.
There's 2 sinks in there. One you wash your face in. The other one, it sounds like you're jerking off, man.
I'm not jerking. Oh my God. You're saying I'm making noises?
It's like this, Dennis. You're like.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. I don't know what you mean. I need to go to the bathroom for a second. And I need you to leave me be, okay? Just hold on. Alright, I realized there were a lot of noises there. So you've been right from minute 1.
You just fucking did it.
I know.
So, here's the thing. The noises have to stop.
So I'm not going to make any more noises in your house.
Please.
I won't do it.
I fucking give you a place to stay, and
No,
it
I
sounds
know.
like
I feel bad.
ghosts are jerking you off in the bathroom.
No, it's not going to happen. And oh God, now when I move in with my girlfriend Melissa, it's going to be crazy.
The one that lives in D.C.?
Yeah, she's going to move in and it's going to be nuts.
What about me, asshole?
I know. Presently, it's affecting you, so I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. I swear.
Jesus
I
Christ.
swear.
Dennis.
I'm sorry.
Last fucking time.
Last time. No more noises in the bathroom. It's right near your room.
You don't even know you're doing it.
I know. Now I do. So we're cool, right?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It exploded.
No, it's no problem. Look, there's another bird.
What is that one?
Yeah, well, it's the rare,
So majestic.
it's the Johnny Mnemonic bird.
Dennis, you don't know shit about birds, do you?
No, I don't.